Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Lenovo Tab P11 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. You see this kind of pop-up, you can choose whatever you wish to allow or don't allow notifications. Now to operate in Send Anywhere app, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then click on Not Now if you wish to in this window and close it by selecting OK. Then do exactly the same on Lenovo. I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and OK. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose Receive next to Send on an Android and Send over here on Lenovo tablet. Finally, click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And then choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only come on. With only this one photo. Click on Send and tap on, misclick, tap on Send and click on Got it. Now pick one of those options on an Android, click on Close this window and select the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time and pointing your device's camera at the code. Or you can input this key over here as well and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!